So be careful, mate. There might be a thunder. It's about to rain. And it's emergency. Let's start with the house. Let's put an EF0 to be there. About that, the EF0 to be is too weak. It can't lift things. Signal number 1. It's too strong. Bro, it destroyed the whole house. Okay, signal number 2. Uh-oh. It's too strong. Is it heading towards me? No, it took the tornado spawner. Oh no. Maybe I should leave the game and read. It's destroying the sirens. No, the sirens are about to get cooked like fried chicken. The tornado spawner it's broken. How can I cook? Maybe I should retry. We did signal 1, signal 2. Okay, let's try again. Yes, last time the tornado spawner broke, and I have to be careful. With this, I can attack all the sirens immediately. Guys, the volume might be too loud, so make sure you lower your volume. Look at the madness! was about to catch your poo-poo.